Two guys want to do an app. They discover WAG. They work all night to create their dream app, Property Swap. They do it merely by using a web browser and an iPad. And so they work all night simultaneously to create their world-changing app. Finally, they publish it early in the morning. When they woke up, 1200 active users and 1400 new properties were entered to their app by people who had enough with paying $200 for a night in a tiny hotel room. The two guys are exhilarated, and while eating yesterday's pizza for an afternoon breakfast, they go into another all-nighter and build an even better version with WAG. They discover the option to publish the new version of their app to their entire audience with a single tap on the iPad and without anyone having to download anything. They have another slice of pizza in 6 in the morning. It's 6:05 on the clock and they get their first support call.
I got the new version. It's so much better. You guys are great. Anyway, I can't submit my request for this amazing property in Paris, and I already promised my wife will go. She even packed her stuff. Please help.
I got you. Hold on. Done right now.
Yes!
Our two partners are now in Hawaii, drinking pina coladas on the beach. And yes, they also swapped. They now have 1,270,000 users. Suddenly, an alarming sound is heard. They approach the iPad with shaking hands. It's that first support caller. WAG, make your own app.